can see the duct right here. What we're going to get to is all back behind this duct. So it's going to be a little bit more difficult to show, but I'll pull the camera off and I'll show what we're looking at as we go through it. But for most of the takeoff, we're already there. It's just a matter of kind of getting into place to get to the FSU, which is right there at this point. So I was able to get the final stage unit out. And so I'm going to have to show you what I did rather than kind of do it play by play. So first of all, you can tell it's the older style one. It's never been replaced before. It's the big pins, big barrels, and very likely the cause of my fan problems. So this duct is directly in the way. And you would laugh, I'm actually laying on my passenger side seat upside down right at the moment to get my head underneath the dash and get some light in here. So if you look and you see those scratches right there, those are scratches from, in that little slot, there's a black module that sits and is covering your access to the FSU. It slots in right there, and it has a T20 Torx at the top and at the bottom. It's almost impossible to show. Now I've got it out and out of the way, so you can see that's where it would be, and it's tucked down. It's plugged in several places, has a bunch of connectors. All you have to do is just pull it out of the way, and then you can get to the FSU. Now the FSU was sitting straight back right there. Now some people have Torx bolts holding it in. I've seen now multiple examples where it does not. Clearly mine's the original, and it did not have bolts in it, so it came straight out. So as soon as I got that black module, the 2 bolts unscrewed and pulled out of the way, I was able to get to the FSU. Now, the FSU, when you look at it and it's sitting in place, has a large black tab right here, that's right here. So all I did was I took a flat-bladed screwdriver and pressed gently between the black locking tab and the FSU and pried it up and away and pulled on this, and it came out. Obviously they've decided it doesn't need the screws anymore, so the black tab is enough to hold it in place. So I pried that out of place. So now all I have to do is unplug it, plug in the new one, and slot it back in, and I'll try to show that once I've got it in place.